Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we edit a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. So guys, we have learned already how to edit a picture in Microsoft Word and in Excel. So those who haven't watched that video, make sure you watch that and let's understand how to edit a picture in PowerPoint. So guys, we have this picture. This is the picture in the slide number 9 and we have total 9 slide only. So to edit a picture, first of all, you have to select the picture. Now it depends upon you what you want to edit. You have lots of options in PowerPoint. If you click on here, format, then you will have here 4 groups. Basically 4 groups are divided: adjust group, picture style group, arrange group and size group. And from the name itself, you can understand from the adjust group, you can adjust anything. Adjust what? You can remove a background, you can adjust the correction of sharpness and softness, brightness and contrast. You can adjust it from here. You can adjust the color saturation or color theme. Okay, you can add color filters. From here you can add some artistic effects. You have lots of artistic effect. Now from here you can compress the picture. So if I click here, then this box appears which says if you want to compress the picture, then say okay. And here is the change picture. Now what it does, from here if you want to replace the picture with another picture, then you can do it from here. You can replace this picture with some other picture. This is reset option. Let's suppose you have edited this picture so much that you don't like that. So if you want to reset that picture again and you want to edit it from the beginning, you can do it from here. You can reset the picture. Now coming back to this picture style group, here you will have lots of picture styles with frames and some angle and some picture effects also. For example, if you see this one, this picture comes with a bevel effect and a shadow and with some little bit of rotation. Okay, so these are the bunch of all effects which comes together as a picture style. Now here if you see, you can do it manually as well. Here we have picture border. Now border in the sense the picture frame. So you can edit the frame width from here like this, and even you can adjust the color of the frame from here, right? Now if you want to add some picture effects, so here you have some effects, like these are the beveled effect, and this is the soft edges effect, glow effect, reflection effect, shadow effect, and these are the presets. Okay, now you can apply multiple effects as well. Let's suppose this is a bevel effect that is already applied and I want to add, let's say, glow effect, so I can add it from here. Okay, again we have picture layout. We will talk about this layout in another video, how to set the layout, how to have a layout in Microsoft PowerPoint. And here we have arrange group. In arrange group you have send backward and send forward. So what does it mean? Let's suppose you have multiple pictures. Okay, you have multiple picture and multiple text boxes or pictures with text boxes. So in that case it very helps, arrange group very helps you by bringing that picture in forward so that it doesn't coincide another picture. And here is the selection pane. Now using selection pane, if you don't want to show, let's suppose you have 10 pictures in a slide and you don't want to show 5 pictures, then you can control it from here. It doesn't delete the picture, but it hides the picture. For example, if I have this picture only, and after selecting this picture, if I click selection pane, then from here you can hide the picture. Okay, so it very helps in the time of presentation. Now again here we have arrange group. Oh, okay, so here we have alignment group. Now alignment group it is very helpful when sometimes what if you see in the left portion there's a picture and in the right portion all the text are written. So you can align the picture basically from here. So if I click here align left, then the entire picture goes left of the slide. Okay, so align middle, then it will come in the middle portion. Align center, so it will come in the center of the screen. Okay, so it basically helps to align the picture on your slide. Here is a rotation. Now here are some preset rotation, 90-degree right, 90-degree left. Okay, and here are the flip vertically and flip horizontally. Get that? Now if you want to rotate it in some specific angles, okay, you want to enter some angle and you want to rotate it, so you can do it from here. Select the object and then click on more rotation options. So after clicking in the right side of the screen, you will have this kind of window where you can enter the rotation angle. Let's suppose I'm writing 15 degree, enter. So you can see. Now coming back to the size group, here you can adjust the size and you can crop as well. First option is the crop. So this crop is a manual crop, rectangular square crop, and this arrow says you can crop the picture into shapes. So what does it mean? Let's suppose you have this picture and you want to crop it as a heart shape. So after selecting the picture, you can click here to crop the picture as a heart shape. Many people use it to make albums or something creative way. So you can use that. Here's the aspect ratio. You can set the ratio of the picture. Okay. Again, you have fill and fit. Now here is the height and width. So you can adjust the height and width from here also manually. Let's suppose the height is 9 inch. Then the width will automatically take it. Okay. This way guys, you can edit a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.